One of the most beautiful city centers in all of Europe is Edinburgh. Edinburgh's city centre provides visitors with an exhilarating blend of dining, shopping, and architectural splendour, with its beautiful streets set against the dramatic silhouette of Edinburgh Castle and the ancient turrets and spires of the old town. Edinburgh is a city of contrasts that blends shopping, historic sites, gardens, and a ton of places to eat and unwind. The beautiful cityscape of Edinburgh is full of striking contrasts. These two complementing areas of the city, the sophisticated elegance of the new town and the old town's tangled maze of ancient alleyways, provide visitors an ever-changing perspective in addition to an abundance of fascinating historical and cultural attractions. Edinburgh's vibrant city centre is a joy to behold, providing tourists a singular fusion of commerce, fascinating historical and cultural attractions, and stunning architecture. Despite being a small city, the town has a variety of hidden villages that are just waiting to be discovered. Discover the Royal Mile's hidden alleys, wander along the Water of Leith, dine at old-class establishments, and go to Scottish Rugby's headquarters. Whether you are a fan of designer brands or are in heaven on the high street, Edinburgh and the Lothians is home to a wide variety of stores, so the shopping won't let you down. Escape the bustle of daily life and unwind in one of the many lovely gardens that can be found around Edinburgh and the Lothians, from suburban homes to the city centre. In the Major City category of the 2013 Britain in Bloom Awards, which honoured the most beautiful parks and gardens in the UK, the city took home a gold medal. Edinburgh and the Lothians is a true foodie's paradise, with its culinary scene being defined by quality, character, and imagination. Eating out in this wonderful town is a culinary delight, offering a wide and diverse mix of places to eat and drink that will appeal to all tastes and budgets, boasting an array of outstanding and award-winning restaurants, cafes, and bars. Whether you want to treat yourself to fine dining in one of the city's 5 Michelin star restaurants, or enjoy coffee and the cake in the region's many cafes and tea rooms, you won't be disappointed. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Edinburgh really shines over the holidays. The city centre comes alive with a wide range of family-friendly activities and events every year from late November to early January. Since its inception in 1993, Edinburgh's Hogmanay Festival has grown to become one of the biggest outdoor New Year's Eve events in the world. The major celebrations in a typical year include the Torchlight Procession on December 30, the renowned Hogmanay Street Party in Edinburgh, concerts and fireworks on December 31, and the Looney Duke, a duke in the frigid waters of the Firth of Forth at South Queensferry, a few miles outside of Edinburgh, on January 1st. Edinburgh is well known for being a festival city. Each year the city's citizens and tourists are waved and enthralled by extraordinary exhibitions of literature, science, performing arts and film. Live music is also very popular in the city. Whatever musical style gets you moving, Edinburgh's world-class concert halls, little basement clubs, speakeasies and bars has a diverse selection of music from both well-known musicians and emerging new talent. Therefore, the next time you're looking for live music entertainment, be sure to check out Edinburgh, the city that sure knows how to hit the right notes, whether you're enthralled by country, excited by electropop or fascinating by folk music.